Let's go to backhand, to forehand.
Yeah.
So to backhand, side step to forehand.
Okay.
I want you to try hit everything to my backhand.
Yeah.
For your forehand loop, same thing as well. Try take it a little bit earlier. 1, 2, yep. 2. Engage the core a little bit more.
Yeah.
So going back to when we did the forehand to forehand, where you did the loop, right? Try find that feeling again, or a similar feeling where you're engaging the
Yeah.
core.
Now I'm just using my arm.
Yeah. But even though right now when you're using your arm, right, you actually have pretty good control, despite the fact that you're only using your arm.
Yeah.
But more reliable way.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah. Don't let the ball drop.
Yep.
Yes. Yes. There we go. Nice. Nice. Yeah, that is okay. Yeah. Now you notice right now, same thing. Once you start engaging your core, right, the whole rhythm of the rally changes. Right now, everything's off the bounce a little bit more, like top of the bounce a little bit more.
Yeah, I'm not waiting as
Yeah,
much.
which is good. So that way, because your timing is more like on top of the bounce, right? What happens is you end up naturally being more aggressive by doing this.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. So just a simple thing to just change your timing.
Yeah.
Try to stay a little bit lower if you can.
Okay.
So once you bend your knees, right, I think that's okay for the height, but then with your upper body as well, try to lean forward a little bit more.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. 1, 2. Nice. 1, 2. 1, 2. Cool. Again, engage your core for that forehand. Engage your core, engage your core.
Yeah.
But sometimes when you're engaging your core, right, sometimes you're going up, so your height's changing a little bit on the forehand.
Okay.
So make sure, one way to prevent this is by focusing on the weight transfer. So normally, a good starter is having because you're right-handed, you want to have your left foot in front a little bit more. So yeah, your left foot in front of your right foot, just a little bit.
Yeah.
So when you focus on the weight transfer, right, you kind of transfer it to your left leg, and that's when you go forward.
Okay.
Yeah, and then because you're doing that, that should help you just stay low and stay the same height.
Okay.
1, 2. Yeah. 1. But also because you're using legs now, your foundation of your frame is a lot stronger, right? So then you're able to also get more quality into this shot as well.
Yeah.
Because one thing though is, whenever you sidestep to your forehand, what I want you to do is careful of your arm, like your positioning of your arm. Sometimes it's a little bit too far from your body or too outstretched, right?
So I need to move, I guess.
Yeah. Awesome. Engage the core. Yeah, nice. That quality, right? So much better. Again, engage the core. Yep. Yep. Again, don't drop the racket. Yep. Nice. 1, 2. Few more. Engage the core. Turn. Turn a bit more. Turn a bit more. Turn. Oh, sorry. Turn. Nice. Those two forehands got a nice acceleration to it.
It goes forward quite a way, I guess.
That's when you know you're using your body a lot more efficiently. Whenever you're able to generate this kind of contact, right? And you can see it in the shot as well. You can hear it, right? You can hear that
compared
snap.
to just when I was just using my arm. I guess it was the shot quality was less. I guess.
Yeah. Awesome. One more.
Sorry.
That's right. 1, 2. Too high. Too high.
Yeah.
Yeah. So again, try get into a habit of always tucking in your core, right? So always staying low, leaning forward.
Yeah.
1, 2. Nice. Again. Turn. rotate forward, rotate forward. And also at this pace now, because we're playing a little bit more faster, right?
Yeah.
I would say the same for your stroke as well. You don't need to backswing too much. Just minimal backswing is okay.
Okay.
Yeah, at this point, because there's already so much pace on the block,
Yeah.
right? You don't have to backswing all the way back here,
Yeah.
right? Just a little bit past your waist is enough.
Yeah.
And then you can just rotate forward again.
Okay.
1, 2, yeah. 1, 2. Awesome, nice, one more. Rotate, rotate. Action's too big. That's
Yeah,
why
it's
you
too
see
big.
the timing, right?
Yeah.
So don't change your timing. Stay on top of that ball. One more.
Right.
One. Backswing first, backswing first.
Yeah.
And make sure after you sidestep, we're a little bit more stable because the last one, right, a little bit too loose on that rotation, right? So in proper position first, and then you can rotate and hit.
No.
Don't rush, don't rush. Backhand still a little bit too rush, but
Yeah, I'm just.
wait, wait, good. 1 and 2. Yeah.
Yeah.
1 and then 2. Awesome. How are we feeling for that?
Yeah, I think it's good. I just feel like I'm not sure if I have to move or wait.
Yeah.
And I feel like if I move, I will be too late
Right.
to the ball. That's why I think I try to reach out.
Ah, okay, okay. So right now it's just a matter of making your footwork a little bit more compact
Yeah,
then.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So to kind of solve the issue. Because right now, like you mentioned, right, you kind of just reach for the ball instead of
Yeah.
moving.
Yeah.
Because you don't have the habit of like
Yeah.
your footwork, your sidestepping.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's just, I mean, one way you can practice this is whenever you have time, you can practice like just purely sidestepping, you know, just the speed of your sidestepping.
Yeah.
As long as you feel lighter on your feet,
Yeah.
then you're able to also move and sidestep
Yeah.
faster as well.
Okay, it's good.
Nice. So that's pretty much topspin combined with footwork.
Yeah.